What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and y'all can see today we dropping brown coat off. Brown coat is about to get that brown coat about to get that paint, man. It ain't gonna be scarred up no more. No more being scarred up. So y'all see, we got to get this thing uncovered. I have not driven this truck in about a week. I got all of them uncovered. I was gonna go ahead and get some new pictures, man, with all of them here. I already got it unbuckled. But I said, well, I'll do it later because I want to get some pictures with brown coat painted. And then when I got the rims mounted on Dolo, because right now it's on race tires, so I said I'm just gonna wait. But that's why they uncovered. But we finna get this thing, I'm finna drive it all the way to the paint shop. People say I don't drive my cars. I don't drive my cars. So I'm finna drive it all the way to the paint shop. Yes sir, all the way there. About a 35 minute ride. So that's what we doing. And I'm finna put some more pump gas in it, cause it's a pump gas true street car. So yes indeed, and it's hot today, in the heat of the day. So that's what I do. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get wife in the mood, big Escalade out the way, and we about to get this thing over to Jhall Automotive paint and body, and then in about a couple of weeks, y'all gonna get that reveal of how brown coat gonna look. Ain't gonna be no more of that. Ain't gonna be no more of this scarred up action right here. No more of this. No more of none of this. When it come back, it's gonna be wet. But y'all know we already got the nice front end. Already look good. Valence cover. I'm finna throw it on the back. Valence. Somebody asked me where to get that valence. I can't remember if I responded to them or not, but I'm gonna tell you in a minute. Alright, y'all, look at it. I had my had Dolo wheel just laying on the box. I smashed it, but it didn't smash the bumper. Y'all saw that video. Really put these rims back on, man, cause they taking up the rod space. But in a minute, let me see what we need. Yes, so the valence. Oh my bad, y'all. I'm just checking everything out. Bad, they ain't bent, man. Big Dolo wheel ain't smashed. The valence cover did. I don't know. Jhall get it right. But we're gonna take this box. Everything in the box. We don't want it rolling around out there. Put this on back of the truck, man. It's still a truck. We still use it for, still can use it for a truck, man. That's what you can do with real street stuff. Let me see, man. Get y'all loaded up. I'm gonna keep y'all rolling. Cause we finna go to the paint shop. Yes, sir. We going to the paint shop. perfect. So we got that. Give y'all the cold start. Get it. Give y'all the cold start. Ain't fired them up in. Ain't fired them up in about a week. And this the newest addition to the fleet. I don't know why I don't drive this thing, man. With me, when I get laser focused on doing something, that's what I be doing. I'm focused on getting Dolo A1 right now. Definitely gotta get some gas. Oh, I got a little bit in it. I might can make it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we might make it, man. That's where we at. Look, I'm gonna put the I put the can of 116 in the back of wifey car just in case. I don't like putting 116 in my vehicle. That's a pretty heavy gas. You know what I mean? Most people know what I mean. But emergency purpose, I'm gonna take it. Brown coat sounds good. That sounds good, y'all. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get to Jhall Automotive. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it. Well, I'm jumping on now. I'm on the interstate, right? We're going on the interstate, right? I think that's what it look like. I don't want nobody. I say I don't drive my cars. I say I drive it there. They're on the interstate, ain't we? And we're on the interstate. Running 60 plus miles per hour. I think so. And we've been driving all the way to the paint shop. All the way. We're gonna make it there with no problem. So when we get there, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Let's get it. Alright, y'all see it. Y'all know I drove all the way here. Ain't no Hollywood magic. About to pull up, man. I drove all the way here. And y'all see y'all got some turn-up footage too. Shout out to wife for catching it, man. I told y'all I gave y'all some turn-up footage too, man. Because I know the truck about to be gone for about 2 weeks. So y'all see it, we here, man. Jhall Automotive. We is here. All the way here. All the way here. I ain't running hot nothing. Y'all see it. Y'all make sure y'all hit them up. Hit them up. But I'm finna get this thing put up. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So look, I just looked at the footage, man. They was in drive. There was a drive punch. I ain't go down the first stub, but I said I'm gonna give y'all some turn up footage. Cause I know the truck about to be gone. Wifey finally recorded something right. She finally got something right. She finally got it right. We got an IGTV clip too, y'all. Look at Shell. Brown coat was moving.
Yeah.
She said it was loud. But we got everything we need. You can cut off. Just let the window down. But I think my bro Jhall gonna show y'all how to find the color too. Cause he got this special tool to where you can find the color. I said I want to see that. I want to show y'all that in the vlog too. So that's what we got going on. And man, like I said, I can't wait. I can't wait to get this thing back, man. Said, y'all can see what color it's gonna be and all that. Then we gonna have this no more. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so getting it clean. Finna find out what the color is, right?
Yeah.
So, man, I wanna see this, y'all. I want y'all to see this machine right here. It's gonna pull the code. Cause I know y'all was wondering what color it was. I was too. I'm kinda curious on what color it is. It is that fast?
You get 2 pictures.
Oh, okay.
2 shots of it.
Oh, okay. I say that was quick, y'all. So that's what he's doing right now. That was it. That quick. So we finna find out a little bit. Stay tuned. All right. So we got the color, and it's a copper brown mixed. That's what color the truck is and stuff. And said it's actually some metallic and stuff in it too. Just kind of hard to see. And then y'all see Jhall came back here. She wanted to see. She just asked. She just asked if they use spray paint to paint the truck. Said nah, they don't use no spray paint. So he got the color and stuff and about to mix it up like that quick. That's just quick, man. About to mix it up and then see what it do. So y'all just stay tuned in. Look, y'all, she gonna hit it one time, Jhall. Hey, look. Oh. Everybody, look, man. We're gonna have to get her some started with this little dance thing she be doing all the time. Cause everybody already talk about it. When y'all pull up and see me at the track or somewhere, y'all always talking about her doing that dance. We're gonna start making you do that dance at the track. When you go, you have to do it at the track. But yeah, he getting everything mixed up, and so far it been like 6 or 7 different colors to make one. So they're pretty neat. They're pretty neat. Some people probably think you just take a couple of colors or just one color and that'll be it. But just seeing the process, man, it's pretty neat or whatever. You don't know what going to painting your car and stuff. So pretty neat seeing it behind the scenes and all that stuff. See how it get down. So y'all just stay tuned. You said it's pretty, Jhall? Yeah. That means you do good work, y'all. When the kids say it's pretty, do good work. But look, he just painted this morning. They're like glass, man. That thing is like, it really is like glass. Look at it. You can see the reflection. You see the reflection on it. This the paint booth. Cause last time it was dark and stuff, and this the paint booth. So it can bake them and everything here. But look at that, man. That glass right there. How that thing reflecting. Mercedes-Benz hood and stuff. That thing look good, y'all. It look good. So what we about to do? We about to do a spray out. He already mixed the color up and everything. I'm like, it's crazy.
That's Mr. Hall. That's behind the scene.
There's the paint gun right there. It what? See, Jhall, there ain't no spray can is. There ain't no spray can, y'all.
Like I said, it's just a little spray out, you know.
Right.
What color we're going with the color.
Okay.
You see the metallic and stuff I was telling you about?
Yeah, I see it. He's darkening it up so y'all see it. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can. Man, that's it. That's crazy. Look.
You had a camera. We didn't even have a code.
Didn't even have a code, and that's it. That's the color of the truck. Yeah, I see it too. You can see it now. No, it's gonna be hard for y'all to see it on camera, but oh, there you go. Just like that. Man, look at this, y'all. That's it right there. You can see it. You can see it better now. Let me get y'all right. Hold on. Oh, no wonder. Hold on. Let me turn y'all down. That's what the problem is. Now we can see what's going on. Hold up. Look at that, y'all. We finna take it up beside the truck. Didn't have no paint code.
I know it doesn't look like the same color though.
Well, they been painted. Look right there. Yes, it did. Look at that. Yeah, like that is. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so we back from dropping brown coat off. Y'all see it, man. This thing. I guess I can pull Mr. Jones. Say, go get my key to the Camaro. I have to draw the one with the white tag on. So we got the truck dropped off and everything. And man, my bro Jarvis said they gonna have it tore down tomorrow. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's what I'm talking about. He said they gonna have it tore down tomorrow. Like they gonna be done tuck the truck apart tomorrow. So man, that's about to be the move. That's about to be the move, man. We about to shake, rattle, and roll. Like I said, we about to shake, rattle, and roll, man. It's about to be it's about to be a good little day. A good little day. Like I said, man, I put the little short clip in there too. Got y'all a little tie smoke. I did two of them, but I got a whole nother video coming behind that. But I did one. I took it up through there. But I put y'all a little snippet of it in there so y'all can see that. But like I said, that was in dry too. But when we get this thing back, it's gonna be clean, man. It's gonna be clean. That bad boy gonna be clean. I can't wait. I can't wait to get it back. And that's crazy. So he gonna have it tore down tomorrow. And if y'all wanna get it, the number is on the screen right now. I showed you the sign earlier, but the number's on the screen. Y'all hit him up, man, for that paint work, the paint job. He'll get you wet, this and that. But y'all about to see. And like I said, good turnaround too. Good turnaround, straight up and down. Whatever he tell you, that's what it is. Good communication, all this stuff. So we about to get that Jhall work, man. We about to get some of that Jhall wetness, man. It about to go down. It's about to go down, all I can say. So I'm ready for y'all to see it. I can't wait. I'm ready to see it. I can't wait to get this thing back, man. We ain't gonna be bent up no more. All of that, and then we're gonna go start hitting that track, putting that work in. And I got to get that decal. I got to have that Jhall decal on my truck. So I'm about to hook something up too for him. And y'all know, man, you just put your people, man. You support who support you, man. You stay real to who stay real with you. Well, you stay real with everybody at the end of the day. You know, regardless of even if somebody being fake and all that or two-faced, you don't be that way. You stay real and stay solid at the end of the day. So stay 10-toed. But yeah, you got the right key. Let me see. Yeah, you got the right one.
Goes in the sky.
Man, you don't know what you're talking about. But anyway, yeah, I'm finna move these cars around, get them covered up. And then we're gonna catch y'all tomorrow, man, cause we're going back over there. I'm gonna keep y'all updated along every step along the way with the truck until brown coat come back. So that's it, BCG. Yeah.